which my able-learned friends have established. Your Honor, if you may be kind enough to allow me just to read the court. A stay should be granted where compelling an accused to stand trial would violate those fundamental principles. That is, Your Honor, instead of trial, I would say to take a plea would be abusing the process of the court for one to take a plea where clearly it has been demonstrated that the background of the charge is illegalities have been committed. There have been constitutional violations. That is an abuse. That would be ridiculous. May I continue to read, Your Honor? A stay should be granted where compelling an accused to stand trial would violate those fundamental principles of justice which underlie the community's sense of fair play and decency. So may I stop there and say something else to you? Wanjigi lost his dear father a few weeks ago. Let us not pretend to be something else. We are Africans. We have African customs. We have our own culture, which we respect. A person losing her father, Your Honor, is a great blow to the family. The family is still in mourning the death of a departed senior Wanjigi. Mama has been affected badly in health. The children no longer have someone they can call Papa. The mother, who is a sick lady in her late 80s, no longer has someone whom she can lean on his shoulder. I think common sense demands that an African government should take this into account before arresting the son and bringing the son before you on a criminal charge. Isn't it common sense? What is the purpose of that provision in our Constitution? It is the DPP a proviso that before he can charge an individual, he is at liberty to take other circumstances into account. This country, as I know from my particular review, does not have the law of mandatory prosecution at all. We do not have it. This country does not have, sorry, Your Honor, I apologize. This country does not have the law of mandatory prosecution. Even assuming, if one may bend the court, the prosecution had a case, the state had a case against Wanjigi. Would you rush to court immediately when he's still mourning the death of his father? One who has given a livelihood, shelter, education, and etc. The father Wanjigi, a respected individual, a man whose home I could freely enter and talk to him without notice, and he could freely enter my home and talk to my home without notice. Serve this country at the highest possible level. Director of Criminal Investigation, Director of Settlements. Director of Settlements. At one time, he was the chairman in our Agricultural International Show. A renowned politician, respected. Member of Parliament for kumekucha. A cabinet minister, respected. He dies at the age of 92. Our active media is taken, writes the long stories, the long articles on him, paying respectful tribute to the work he has done as a pillar of the Kenyan nation. No single word of condolence to the family from the highest office. Going to be kind enough to write like that. No single word of condolence from the highest office. Just as my wife, when she died, she received no single condolence from the highest office.